In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the your monthly goal word count target for each month. In the Word Count Tracker Spreadsheet, I set the default for 60,000 words. I just put that in the spreadsheet. But to change it, as you can see right here, it's very simple. All you need to do is double click on that cell, and now you can change it to whatever you want. So the default is 60,000, but let's say your target is 80,000. You just do that. Update it here, hit enter, and then your daily target and your performance automatically gets changed by the spreadsheet's coding automatically. I'll show you that again. So if you want to do 70,000 or 100,000 or whatever your goal is, just go ahead and change it here in this cell. But just a reminder, the default will be 60,000 that I set for each month. Looking here at January, but from January to December, these are all set for 60,000. So if your monthly goal target is different, you'll have to change it. And as you can see, it's very simple to do that. Just double click on the cell and then enter whatever you want. So very easy to do.